Do assault weapon bans violate your Second Amendment rights? Imagine living in a country where your right to own certain types of guns is constantly debated. That's the reality with assault weapon bans and the Second Amendment. So, what does the law say? The Second Amendment of the United States Constitution protects the right to keep and bear arms. But it's not a free-for-all. Courts have said that this right isn't unlimited. They recognize that some laws can regulate firearms to keep everyone safe. Assault weapons are usually semi-automatic firearms that look like military guns. Laws that ban or restrict these weapons often target models like the AR-15 or AK-47. They also limit magazine sizes, which are the clips that hold bullets. These bans are meant to prevent dangerous weapons from being used in crimes or mass shootings. But some people argue that banning these guns takes away their rights. They say it's unfair to restrict weapons that are used for lawful purposes like hunting or self-defense. Courts have generally ruled that assault weapon bans do not violate the Second Amendment. The reason is that these weapons are considered more dangerous and are not needed for everyday activities. Courts say that banning these weapons fits within the tradition of regulating guns that are excessively dangerous. They believe such laws do not take away the right to own guns for lawful reasons but instead limit access to certain types of firearms. Some legal experts and advocates disagree. They argue that the Second Amendment covers all firearms, including assault weapons. They point out that millions of Americans own these guns legally and use them responsibly. These advocates continue to challenge assault weapon bans in court, and future rulings could change how these laws are viewed. For gun owners, it's important to know your rights. While you have a constitutional right to own firearms, laws about assault weapons vary by state and city. Following local, state, and federal rules is necessary to avoid legal trouble. In summary, courts have upheld assault weapon bans as constitutional because they target weapons seen as excessively dangerous. These laws do not eliminate the right to own guns but regulate specific categories of firearms. The debate continues, and court decisions may evolve. Staying informed about current laws and rulings helps you understand how your Second Amendment rights apply today.